In order to achieve high efficiency performance of the Denuder, we recommend exchanging the used Denuder cartridge element with a fresh one every month of active instrument operation. Rotate the locking screw ring on the inline Denuder to unscrew it in an anti-clockwise direction until the diffuser tube can be removed. Remove the Denuder cartridge from the main Denuder tube. Pull both Denuder shells away from each other to split it in half. Replace the Denuder cartridge element with a fresh one. Reassemble the Denuder shell and place it back in the main tube. Put the diffuser tube back on the main sampling tube. Rotate the locking screw ring in a clockwise direction to lock the diffuser tube in place. Thank you for watching this video tutorial.